Outside the rainy season, in my hand a glass of wine, a tear rolls down my cheek. In this empty apartment, I'm alone. And outside the rainy season, in my soul autumn melancholy, the thunderclaps grow stronger. In my hand a glass of wine, I look through the wet glass. You slammed the door and left, leaving only a trail of perfume. You passed me by like a shadow, and this rain beats in time to my broken heart. I was ready to give the whole world without hesitation, just to hear, oh, love has gone into darkness, accompanied by the rain. And now I'm completely alone with longing in my soul. I face the days. Separation is bitter wine, and the echo of the past in the silence. Where has it all gone? Only dreams remain of my tormented soul. Do you hear the whisper behind you? My voice in the patter of the days drops. You're not yourself, you're not yourself, without warm words, without my fire. You searched for an answer from me, ran from your own shadow, and behind you a dim light remained. Remember how you held me and kissed my knees. And this rain beats in time to my broken heart. I was ready to give the whole world without hesitation, just to hear, love has gone into darkness, accompanied by the rain. And now I'm alone with longing in my soul. I face the day. Separation, torment is bitter wine, and the echo of the past in the silence. Where has it all gone? Only dreams remain of my tormented soul. You promised not to leave, and promised to love me all my life. But the rain keeps falling and there's no light. Between us there's an abyss again, and our song has already been sung. dreams outside the rainy season. A completely empty glass. The nightlight blinks on the wall. I dissolved my pain, despairing in the intoxicating